Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So like we remember, earlier on Big Bro told Pere and Angel that they were qualified to go back into the house having won 56 and 54 points, right? Of course, 56 body parts from the truck and of course 54 body parts from the truck by Angel and Pere respectively. So the other housemates were in the lounge, Rose, Emmanuel, Cross and White Money, and while they were conversing, the doorbell rang and they rushed to the door to check who was coming in. And then Angel and Pere walked in and they were all super excited to see both of them. And now, of course, while they were excited about the return of Angel and Pere, we heard Cross talking about the fact that if he knew that Angel was coming back into the house, he would have fought harder to win the head of house title.
I know that would have easily have fucking won that shit.
Oh, you almost won.
Yeah. But
oh, it was time. I think it was time.
Earlier on, we saw Emmanuel emerge the ultimate head of house, and of course, he chose Rose as his deputy.
Emblem of power.
Leave a man's focus, give you good shit.
Finally, we have the top 6 finalists in the Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eyes edition. And of course, you all will determine who becomes the winner of the Big Brother Naija Season 6. Who are you rooting for? Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at BBNaija. And until next time I come away very soon, it's bye for now.